Hello everyone in Capelandia. I'm Lori Ellison and I want to welcome you to Yappy Hour from allaboutcolorquilting.com. No, I don't really yap for an hour, but I call it Yappy Hour because I like to start out with a little glass of Chardonnay. This week, I have a little left of one of my favorites, Stag's Leap Chardonnay from, of course, Northern California, Napa Valley 2022. I love this one. It's not too buttery. Those buttery ones, they've been popular, but to me they taste like Elmer's glue. Now there's a whole group of people, they're not kids anymore, who don't know what Elmer's glue tastes like. They had glue sticks, but I do, and I do not want my Chardonnay to taste like it. So I like a cool, crisp, dry Chardonnay. Anyway, I hope you'll join me if you're in a position to do so, to Yappy Hour. Okay, I have a couple things to talk about today. There are some new K-Facet fabrics. There are some new shot cottons. Some old ones went away and we got some new ones in their place to try to balance the blues and the reds a little bit. There are 35 shot cottons total, and the only drawback to that is that they no longer fit in one package. I had to put them in 2 packages. So this is half of the shot cotton package, and it is 17 or so of them. The entire 35 is $209.95. Shot cottons, as you know, are a little less expensive than the printed fabrics. Just as lovely. There's half. Here is the other half. In each, the pack is sold as a set of 2. It's a 2-pack. It is a list of all the shot cottons and a color chart, so that you can figure out what is what. So anyway, that's the shot cotton pack this time. It's in 2 bags instead of 1. I couldn't find one big enough. And it is $209.95. 35 different shot cottons, all the blues, the purples, the reds, yellows, and some new, fun new greens. There's a new one called Algae and Apple, and as a matter of fact, in the quilt behind me, those 2 are used. This quilt is called Interrupted, and it is by a company called Tamarisk. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, she's a clever little pattern writer, and this is a super modern design that uses both the shot cottons and the woven stripes in a modern design that you're not going to see just everywhere. It is just slightly smaller than twin size. I think about 60 by 80 is my guess. But it could probably easily be added to on either end. It is called Interrupted, and I will get a kit on the website shortly. You know, there's so many things to think of. Besides that, I drink. Anyway, it can be found under quilt kits at allaboutcolorquilting.com, and I will get that up shortly. But you can't make it without the woven stripes. There's a lot of things you can't make without the woven stripes, but we'll get to that. Presently, I have a pack of the top 20 woven stripes. There really are only 24 so far. And I didn't order some of them. I didn't imagine that I'd be doing a pack. And so this is the top 20. I ordered the prettiest ones, of course, and these are them. Top 20 of the 24 woven stripes. These are a generous cut half yard for $119.95. And you're going to need both the stripes and the shots to make a couple of my patterns that I've had for some time. I did these years ago when we had these stripes before, these multicolored stripes. One of them was called Fan Dancer, and I will get that close so you can see it. It is a foundation pieced pattern, and it is dependent on getting those stripes to run through the block and give you that secondary wheel illusion. It's really pretty and really fun. And as you can see, it takes a nice big choice of both shot cottons and woven stripes to get that color wash effect. That's called Fan Dancer. And the other one that comes with, and by the way, I don't sell these patterns separately. They're not really, they're instructions, not a pattern. There's no fabric requirements, and they have some similarities to things that other people have done. So I only give them away with the pack. The other one is called Square of the Diagonal, loosely based on a young man who does textile art, and with his permission, I created a user-friendly pattern so that you can make it and that you can move those stripes in your block so that you get the illusion of a diagonal effect across the quilt. It makes a wonderful wall hanging, makes a great lap quilt. You could certainly make it larger than either of those, but it's a very cool art quilt, but with easier instructions than an art quilt would be. So that is Fan Dancer and Square of the Diagonal, which free instructions come with the shot cottons and woven stripe packs. Free-ish. I don't sell them otherwise. And they are at All About Color Quilting. There is a tab under fabric patterns and quilt kits that says shot cottons and woven stripes, and you can purchase any or all of the shot cottons individually in quantities that you want, or you'll find these packs both listed there also. So that's the kind of fun we've been having around here. Shot cotton and woven stripe fun, all K-Facet. These were some of the first things he did, and I'm delighted that he is still doing them, because they make the most beautiful, soft quilt that you can imagine. The other thing that I have to talk about today is called the Long Hot Summer Quilt Retreat, July 27 through the 30th at the Agua Caliente Casino in Rancho Mirage, California. People can stay at the resort, which is kind of fun. You park underneath the parking ramp, so your car's inside, you're inside, and you get to eat lunch every day looking out over the pool and the gardens. So that's why we call it the Long Hot Summer. We're beating the Long Hot Summer at the Agua Caliente Casino Resort and Spa in Rancho Mirage. We start on Sunday night with an open bar, and we pick our quilts and we show some of last year's quilts. And then Monday morning we start to sew. There's usually maybe 5-10 minutes of teaching something, like, for example, one of the things that I will teach this time is machine binding. I finally got tired of hand binding my quilts, and my hands don't want to do all that needlework anymore anyway. So I've started machine binding and developed kind of a technique for doing it quickly and almost perfect. And that can be found under kit information on our website, my website, which is allaboutcolorquilting.com, under kit information, and there is a tab where you can read all about machine binding. And I did that on this quilt also. Actually, I did it, nope, not that one. But, for example, that's one of the kinds of things that I might teach. I also usually teach a little bit about sewing with a little perfection, and some easy ways to pin and get things perfect. Long Hot Summer Quilt Retreat. You want to know more about it? more than I'm telling you right now. Besides the good food and the free drinks and go to allaboutcolorquilting.com. Once again, go to kit information and click on the itinerary and invitation to the Long Hot Summer Retreat, and you can read all about it. You can sign up with the registration form, or you can sign up online and pay online by going to the shopping page, and right at the top is Buy the Retreat. So, a couple ways to sign up. One good way to learn about it, all the information is right there. And if you love to sew with Kaffe, we'd love to have you, because you get one Kaffe, you get $105 toward a Kaffe quilt, any one that you want, and I usually have a dozen of them or more. I'll have a few from the past year, but I try to have 6, 8, 10 new ones each year. And behind me, Interrupted by Tamarisk will be one of the new ones. Last year, Jonah was a new one, the plaid one over in the corner. So we also put our blocks and things up on the wall, on a Kaffe facet design wall. Pretty much everybody gets a space for one, and it really enhances the experience for everyone, because you get to see all different quilts go together and what they look like, and geez, would I like to make that. That does make it a lot of fun. So, the Long Hot Summer Quilt Retreat, July 27 to 30. Check your calendar. If you can come and you love to sew with Kaffe, we'd love to have you. That's my story today. I will see you again soon for another edition of Yappy Hour. Thanks for joining me today.